Hey guys, today we will use Postman to get some API calling, and the API calling lays in the Twitch games, for example. So we will use the get curl, which is API language, to get some data. So the way we do this is we go into the browser and we just search for Influencers Club API. And there's a page here, Influencer API, which is not this one. This is Modash. But yeah, we have like here in the Teneo and in this one, so we can click on here, and I'm already logged in here. So I have this panel, and to log in, you need to have some personal email, not personal email, but business. So you cannot use Google Mail, Yahoo.com, whatever. So just so you know, and you go here into the API, then you have your personal API key, and you will use this key. And I've prepared like Postman here, Influencers Group. I have also tried with others a bit. So we have here, for example, the discovery of the Twitch games, and where I put my API key is here in the Influencers Club. So what I did basically is I create this collection here. I created it, and then I put authorization here, and there's my API key where I doing it. And with this API key, I can just use this in every of the childs in this collection, so it's pretty neat. So yeah. But as I wanted to show you, you can here go to the where is it again? Here, fetch available Twitch games. It's on the Teneo platform, which is the API documentation, where you can get here view documentation, and then it brings you, for example, for some reason to Teneo. I don't know why, but doesn't really matter for this tutorial, the explanation, but yeah, we are here, which is under the Discovery API, and the endpoint is this. So we need to use the general API address, which is this one, and then we use after that we use this as the whole link. And in the Postman, it looked like this then. And it's also a get. Sometimes you have post as well, but yeah, it doesn't really matter sometimes for what is it, what does it mean, get post. Maybe some other video I will explain, but yeah, it's quite a mess. So yeah, auth is bearer token, as you know, and the body can add something, but you don't have to. You can just click send, and then we have here all the game. And that's pretty nice if you want to have some information about Twitch games. So, yeah, that's basically it. And this is as easy as that. And I thank you for your attention. My name is Murian-Coush Addem, and you can reach me every time on the informatic department and on my email, for example. So, thank you very much, and goodbye.